Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to cancel your United Healthcare Insurance. Really easy and simple. You can do this through various ways. When you can cancel is online. Okay? You can do this online. Just go ahead and log in to your marketplace plan. Alright? Go there and you can go ahead and cancel. Or you can also cancel by phone. Right? These are their phone numbers. They're available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Just call them on these numbers, 1-800-318-2596. And also, this is another number, 1-844-587-3958. Okay? And one thing I would like to let you know, do not go ahead and cancel your marketplace plan, okay, until you know for sure when your Medicare coverage actually starts. Otherwise, you may have a gap in coverage and you do not want that, okay? But otherwise, I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.